Hey guys, I got my second Breezy sponsor pack from Joe, so I'm not going to show you my address because that's dumb. Joe lied. I'll show you guys that later. Alright. So, I got a deck. It's got red lace wood on the bottom. I asked for this custom. Goes maple, like light blue, red zebra wood, and then this. He said he didn't lacquer it all the way because he forgot to or something, I don't know. But I'm gonna finish lacquering it and then set it up. The shape looks awesome. And then I got 5 pieces of breezy tape, which is awesome. It's the best tape ever, so go buy some. And we traded for these G7.1 still in the package because he won them in the raffle at Rendezvous. And they're black. And now I'll show you everything all close up. This is the deck. There you can see the plies. It's awesome. Yeah. Can't wait to use that. And here's the wheels. Let me... I don't know why you didn't use them. Yeah. I haven't had G7s in a while, so yeah. And here's the tape. Here's the texture of it. I need to review it soon, so expect a review within like a week or something.